that the Chief Secretary, UP or any other officer authorized by him shall file an affidavit as to whether, in terms of Section 8B of the Act, dowry prohibition officers have been appointed by the state government para. In the event, dowry prohibition officers have not been appointed till date, the state government shall explain as to why the dowry prohibition officers have not been appointed when the dispute of dowry is rising para. In the event, the state government has appointed dowry prohibition officers, it is then imperative that the steps taken by such dowry prohibition officers towards implementation of the provisions of the Dowry Prohibition Act is shown in respect of preparation of list of presents given in the marriage as per section 3 (2) of the Dowry Prohibition Act. The state government shall also disclose the orders issued for implementation of the dowry prohibition (maintenance of lists of presents to the bride and bridegroom) rules, 1985 stop. The dowry prohibition officers are enjoined with the duty to ensure compliance of the Dowry Prohibition Act and the rules framed thereunder stop. The affidavit shall also disclose how many dowry prohibition officers have been appointed throughout the state and at what level para. The state government shall also file an affidavit to the effect whether at the time of registration of marriage, list of presents as required by the dowry prohibition (maintenance of lists of presents to the bride and bridegroom) rules, 1985 are being taken by the officers and being maintained so that subsequently, in the event there is dispute between the parties to marriage with regard to the presents being given in marriage being designated as dowry, the same can be verified stop para. The state government shall also file an affidavit whether any rules for carrying out the purpose of the Dowry Prohibition Act in terms of Section 10 of the Dowry Prohibition Act has been enacted by the state government stop. A copy of the same shall also be placed before this court on the next date para. Penalty for giving or taking dowry (1) if any person, after the commencement of this act, gives or takes or abates the giving or taking of dowry, he shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 5 years, and with fine which shall not be less than 15,000 rupees or the amount of the value of such dowry, whichever is more stop.